present the 2015 Atlantic hurricane season outlook. This is most importantly just a reminder to us all that we're on the doorstep of the Atlantic season, and we've got to be ready for whatever comes. No matter how many pitches Mother Nature throws at us, from only a few to a whole lot, if just one of those pitches gets through the strike zone, we can be in for a lot of trouble. So it's not a question of how many pitches might she throw, it's a question of how ready are we for any pitch that comes to our strike zone. For 2015, NOAA predicts the Atlantic hurricane season will have a range of 6 to 11 tropical storms. Those are storms with top sustained winds of at least 39 miles an hour. 3 to 6 of those storms will become hurricanes with top sustained winds of at least 74 miles an hour. And maybe 0 or possibly 2 of those hurricanes will grow to major strength, that's category 3 or higher, with top sustained winds of at least 111 miles an hour. Those ranges and those numbers are below average for hurricane season. I want to emphasize again, below average doesn't mean no pitches get thrown our way. 1992 was a below average season as well. We talked to the folks in South Dade County about how Andrew affected them for decades after its landfall. I want to emphasize also that this statistical forecast is not a prediction of landfall. No way to predict which, if any, of these storms might make landfall. Driving the outlook this year, most importantly, is the El Nino phenomena, which has developed in the Pacific Ocean and is expected to last through the end of the calendar year. El Nino has the effect of suppressing hurricane activity in the Atlantic in a couple of ways. One is it increases the amount of wind shear and the sinking motion in the atmosphere. Wind shear can tend to tear a storm apart. Both factors inhibit storm formation and inhibit the intensification of storms. Also of note, our scientists predict that the sea surface temperatures in key portions of the Atlantic will be about normal, not as warm as they were the last couple of years, so less energy from the ocean helping to drive storms as well. Those forecast ranges that I cited represent a below average season, and the center of the ranges are also below the average. This is the highest probability of low activity season that it's been in one of our outlooks since about 1990.